What's up, Team Buckhouse? I'm Johnathan Buckhouse, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to hit a corrugated feature, tube, rail, whatever you want to call it, a corrugated feature. I'm going to teach you how to hit it. So first things first, there's going to be two types of corrugated you're going to find on the mountain. A plastic one, which is going to be a more common one, and then there will be some metal ones out there. The thing that makes it a corrugated is all these rivets right here, and when you slide it, it makes noise, which obviously is intimidating because you think you're going to come in for a board slide and you're going to catch your edge and you're just going to eat it on the feature. That is actually not that common. Unless you really mess up, you will actually slide on this thing super easy. Like, you see that? Ooh, butter. Now the thing to remember with a corrugated is, one, they're going to be a little bigger, so as a snowboarder you can lock in on the top or on the side, and with the kinked corrugated like we have, you'll see that a lot. You kind of want to lock in a little bit on the side of the feature, but because it's round, you can lock in and you're just going to smoothly slide on this thing. Now the biggest thing you want to pay attention to on a corrugated that's in the ground like this, and most of them are in the ground, is you don't want your nose or your tail to dig into the snow next to the feature. So make sure you get your belly button over it and you're not soggy, because if you're soggy you could catch an edge off of the corrugated and eat it, and we don't want to eat it. Don't eat it unless it's pizza. Now, like any other rail, the biggest tip to completing it is to look at the end of the rail. So when you get on the corrugated, don't be counting your rivets, because that's going to make you fall off early. You want to be looking at the end, knowing where you're going, forgetting that there's even rivets in here. Just pretend that it's a box. That's what I always do, and enjoy the noise you make when you just board slide this whole thing. So the biggest tip to not digging your edge in and dying on the rail is to do what you need to do on any feature, and that's keep your feet flat. If you're sliding the rail properly with your feet flat and everything, you will have no issue going right over it. All right, Team Buckhouse, that's how you slide a corrugated. I know this is a short, simple video, but literally it is that simple. Go out, try new features, try new rails. I promise you're gonna have a blast on a corrugated. This is actually one of my favorite features in the park because it makes so much noise, and because people are scared of it, and when you do go sideways and make all that noise, people like cheer. They're like, yeah, you did it, and you're like, yeah, I did do that, and it's super good time. You know what else is a good time? You guys smashing the subscribe button, because I make a bunch of how-to videos on this channel, but also I post daily between vlogs, how-tos, travel videos, all that type of stuff. So subscribe to my channel to join the strongest ski and snowboard community on the internet. Now, I'm not an expert snowboarder, I've just been doing it for 13 years, so if I missed something on how to hit the corrugated, please comment that down below, but also comment what other features or tricks you want me to cover on this channel. With all that being said, Team Buckhouse, you can snag an Evolution sticker to support the dream, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because it's daily on this channel.